How y'all doing? Welcome to Diecast Flashback. And this time we've got a Corgi toy, Cadillac Superior Ambulance, that Corgi produced from 1962 to 1968. Now this is the second version, and this was made from 66 to 68. Looks just like the Ghostbusters. What was that called? The Echo Mobile or something? That's pretty cool casting. Got that classic GM front end look to it. This one's got the little battery box in the bottom of it, so the light will work. And then the lights light up with the illumination. Now I have drilled the post. Let's see if I can get this out without tearing up anything. There it comes. All right, now I have worked on this, and it was working. Let's see. It may have to be in there touching something. It's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple thing. Yeah, I think it has to be touching something inside. But I did have it working. Well, we'll get it together. But anyway, let's look at the body right now. There's the base. Got the tires that say Corgi on them. And let's see, our interior's in good shape. Glass is really good. And then you got all this. There's the windshield. It's in good shape. Then you got this up here in the top. That's where the light bulb sends the light signal through it so that the lights come on. That's pretty cool. And then that, I'd say that has to touch all of that. Let's see, these should push back in there. There it goes. That's pretty cool. Yep, good body. Got one post on it, and then this back here, it just set in it went fit in the back. All right, well, let's see what I can do with this one, and I invite you to hang around to the end, see how it turns out. Well, let's get started. Okay, let's try to get it together. There's the body. Turned out pretty good. Paint's good. Details. Decals, all good. All right, let's see. First thing's got to go in there is this little ring. It goes in the top. See that? Then you got this little plastic piece that when the light bulb illuminates, it's supposed to run through here, and the light in the front comes on. Let's see, it should fit right up in there. Got to get it, the angle just right. All right, there we go. Got that. See that? And then the back one. That was much easier. All right, that's in there. Now we got the windshield and the interior. There we go. And I'm going to put, this light is giving me fits. So I'm going to put that in a minute. Let's put the body together first. Okay. Now there's the car. The car looks good. Good roller. That looks pretty good. Got good suspension. All right. Now let's try to turn it on. I'm going to show you it does work. Well, it does about half the time. It's old and just hard to get the connection. It just sometimes it will and sometimes it won't. See, look. Well, let's go ahead and turn it off and put it in there. Maybe we'll get lucky. And it's got to go in there a certain way, just like this. You just push it up in there. Well, let's turn it on. There we go. It worked. All right. You see I don't know if you can see that. The little lights in the, maybe I'll fix it on when it goes around the turntable. But that is really pretty neat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you next time with another diecast flashback. Now that's a flashback. Have a good one.